All right, Autonomous. Oh, it looks like we have Hula Hooligans with their auto potentially messing up. But it does look like their alliance partner is scoring some points. Oh, this is going to be a close one to score up. I think it goes to the Blue Alliance by 1 point, however. So set up for an upset here. All right, we got movement from all the robots. Looks like we got Hula Hooligans going straight to the loaders. They're loading up with a bunch of blocks in the match load station, whereas on the Blue Alliance, we have Genesis loading up on a bunch of blocks as well, going for that long goal control. Keep in mind that Genesis is the only robot here with a D-score mech. Both of the red robots have lots of blocks inside of them, but they are still yet to fill up the goals. Oh, Hula Hooligans missing their first 2 shots under heavy defense from 7862H. Oh, they line up, and they get 1 block down that looks like it is just barely in the control bonus, but that is close. Could easily shift just from robots ramming into it. It looks like 51191D is jammed with 2 blocks stuck in their intake. Not sure if they'll be able to fix that. Oh, it looks like they got their blocks fixed. They are lining up, and they got their first block in. However, Blue does appear to have the control bonuses. Oh, Hula Hooligans going for another round. But 7862H also going and filling up the goal. This is a close match. Oh, we had a massive D score from 67100G. This is looking like the Blue Alliance currently has the lead, but plenty of time for the Red Alliance to still recover with about 34 seconds left on the clock. Center control bonus is looking close. Hula Hooligans filling up with more blocks. Same with 51191D, looking like they outtake instead of intake. But that far long goal is looking completely full. This is going to be close. We are getting some pushing at that long goal. Trapping count. We have 10 seconds left in the match. 10 seconds left. We have a target from 51191D. It looks like 7862H is... Oh, they make it off the ground.